We are in Lake Las Vegas, a Masterplan community located in the hills of Henderson. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 2,565 square feet of modern living space. We are in the heart of the home, the gourmet kitchen. It features full quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and modern cabinetry. The open concept layout of this home includes a large loft, perfect for a secondary living area. This spacious primary suite, located on the 2nd floor, offers plenty of natural light. We are in the primary ensuite bathroom with a standalone tub, perfect for relaxation after those long days of work, and an enclosed shower.